Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here today, welcome. I'm glad to have you. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I'm so excited to see you again. If you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button down below, it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me out a lot. It helps me to bring you unboxings, sew-alongs, and all the things like that. And don't forget, every Saturday I go live at 5 right here on YouTube on my channel. And this week is National Quilting Day, International Quilting Day actually. And so I'm going to be sewing with a couple of friends. So I hope you come on back and check that out. It's going to be a lot of fun. So today on my channel, I'm going to open my Sew Yeah subscription box. This is their basic box. Every month you get basics from a different fabric company. And I'm really excited to get it open. Last month it was blues, and blues are my favorite color. The next color is my favorite color is purple. And I saw a little bit of a preview from somebody else, and so I think there may be some purple in here. So I'm real excited to get this open. So let's take a peek. Okay, so this is the box. I've taken it out of the outer wrapper, and they don't put any tape on theirs, which is just fine because it comes in a mailer. So let's get it open. Oh. It's always difficult to open, but it's worth it. Oh, and it is purples. I'm so excited. So right on top of here, we have a sticker. It says, oh, I like this. You reap what you sow. That's very pretty. Ooh, that'll look good on Black Beauty. Look there. Oh, yeah. There's always a dad joke in the box. And this one is, why are elevator jokes so classic and good? They work on so many different levels. Ha ha ha. That's funny. Okay, so every month they put in these QR codes for us to scan that have, this one has a discount on Windham Fabrics, so this is obviously Windham Fabrics in this box. And then the other one is for the quilting pattern and video tutorial. They don't put patterns in these boxes. They just do a tutorial and give you a PDF to download. So you have to go through, or you have to use that QR code. So I'll do that later. This is Windham Fabrics, and this is called the Bedrock Collection. So let's get this open and see what's in here. Oh, look at that. That is a box of spring right there. That is gorgeous. Okay, so right on top there's a notion. Oh, this is a double-ended seam ripper. I've actually got one of these. So this is a great tool. I actually love it. So I'm going to keep this one in the package and give it away to someone. But this is a really, really nice tool. I have this. It's got a smaller seam ripper on one end and a larger seam ripper on the other. So I really like this seam ripper. And then there's a spool of Aurifil 2560 thread. It's a very light purple. I will be keeping that for sure. And then there's just a box full of gorgeous fabric. Oh my goodness. I'm very excited about this. Okay, it looks like they feel like fat quarters. I don't want to unwrap them all because they're in here really nice. But there's like a little bit of a darker lilac purple and then a light lilac purple. Same with the blues. There's a aqua blue and then a light aqua blue. And it goes kind of all down the line. There's green and yellow. And then, oh, this is pretty. This is like a coral, like a darker coral. It's reading more orange, but it's actually more coral. And then a lighter coral. And then a little bit of a Easter egg pink and a real pale, like baby pink. Oh, this box is gorgeous. I hope that if you guys got this box, let me know what you think. This fabric is really pretty. I haven't seen this fabric before. I don't have access to Windham Fabrics through my shop, but I love this. I may be going on and purchasing some more. This is called, like I said, Bedrock, and you can see it's got like a rock pattern sort of on there, but it's definitely like, this is perfect for a blender. Or I could see using all these colors and making this beautiful like spring quilt. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we got 12 fat quarters, a spool of Orville thread. Fold this back up. The seam ripper, double-ended seam ripper, and the dad joke, and the sticker, which is going to look adorable on my machine. I'm going to put that right there. And then, of course, you get the pattern and the video tutorial to make the pattern. So this is an amazing box. I am so happy I got this. I believe they are still sold out of this, but you can keep checking or email them and see if there's a list you can go on if you're interested in getting their basic box in case they have a cancellation. Totally worth the money. I believe it's $55. But yeah, this just made my day. It's a little chilly here today, and it's supposed to rain this afternoon. We had spring for a few days and it's going away. So this just brought the sunshine that I needed in my day. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow night for Saturdays with Steph. Talk to you later. Bye.